Now, the second chapter, horticultural plants. In the horticultural plants, what we are going to see the nutritive value of fruits and vegetables. The fruits and vegetables play a very important role in the human diet and for the nutrition. They provide the carbohydrate, protein, minerals, and the vitamins. We know that all vegetables and the fruits that play very important role as far as the human diet concern, balanced diet concern, because it is having some nutritional value, and that nutritional value that provides the minerals, salts, as well as the carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, etc. The fruits like guava, date, mango, and vegetables like spinach, cabbage, peas, tomatoes, drumstick, amaranthus are rich in source of iron. So, as far as the iron concern, these are the plants or these are the fruits that is having the rich in they are rich in iron, and that is why the iron that is essential for the building the body, especially the human body as such concern. The cashew nut, wood apple, and leafy vegetables are the good source of the phosphorus. It means that the phosphorus it is essential for the purpose of the enter that bone, and for that purpose, such type of the enter that fruits that is essential that provides the phosphorus source. The calcium is obtained from the methi, curry leaves, mustard, and spinach, and also from the fruits like the cashew nut and avocado as well as the lychee. Some vegetables like onion, lady's finger, asparagus supply the iodine. The papaya contains the pepsin, that is the protein digesting enzymes, and these protein digesting enzymes that can be obtained from the such type of the enter that vegetables or the fruits like a papaya and the vegetables like a onion, lady's finger, etc. While the vegetables like amaranthus, that is in Marathi tandulka, peas, tomatoes, and the fruits like banana, apple, jamuns are the source of vitamin B and B2. The vitamin C are obtained from the entire that fruits like citrus, tamarind, orange, as well as vegetables like cabbage, drumstick, and the tomato. The vitamin C that is essential for the human body, and this vitamin C that can be obtained by the help of the such type of the citrus fruit, for example, the Citrus aurantium, so-called santri, mosambe, etc., and some vegetables like cabbage, drumstick, and tomatoes. Now, next point that we are going to see the classification of vegetables, fruits, ornamental plants, spices, and the flowers. The horticultural plants are classified on the following basis. First, on the basis of duration of lifespan, such as the annuals. The annuals that is the plant that can finish their life cycle within a month or within a year. So the plant like tomato and marigold. Biennials like the lifespan concern regarding the biennials which can blossom or which can finish their life cycle the 2 years. The onion, cabbage, tuberose, and the perennials plants such as the mango, banana, and the chrysanthemum flowers. Second, that is on the basis of the climatic requirement. So, as far as the temperature concern, which is the climatic factors, as far as the temperature concern, so there are the zones, particular geographical zones of the entire that India is concerned, the temperate zones, tropical zones, subtropical zones. So, what are the entire that plant which are present? What are the ornamental plant, as well as the fruits, vegetables, and the spices which are present in the entire that temperate zone? So, for example, the vegetables like the cauliflowers and the cabbage, the fruits like the apples, pears, almond, and walnut, and the spices like saffron and asafoetida. These are present in the entire that, or this can be cultivated in the area where the temperate zone is there. That is, the temperature is near about right from the 0 to 20 degrees Celsius temperature. That is essential for them, and for that purpose, the such type of the entire the vegetables and the fruits that can be cultivated. The second crop that is a tropical crop, for example, the vegetables like the tomato, brinjal, mango, fruit like a mango, banana, pineapple, sapota, black pepper, the spices like black pepper, turmeric, ginger, clove, that can be cultivated in the tropical area or the tropical zone, especially in these are the tropical crops. And these tropical crops, that is where the temperature ranges from 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Near about the 40, it can go up to the 45 degrees Celsius. But these are the tropical area where the temperature ranges from such ranges, that is more than 20 to 45 degrees Celsius, where the vegetables like so-called as tomato, brinjal, chili, that can be cultivated. Second, that is the subtropical zone. In between the temperate and tropical zone, it comes under the subtropical zone. In the subtropical zone, the vegetables like tomato, brinjal, and the fruits like citrus, guava, pomegranate, turmeric, ginger, and the onion, garlic, these are the spices that can be cultivated in this zone. That is depending upon the temperature. Third classification, that is on the basis of the plant part use. Which type of the part use from the particular type of the plant? For example, the fruit concern, the apple that gives rise the fleshy thalamus. The fleshy thalamus, that is the part which to be utilized as the edible part, that is the fleshy thalamus, and that for that purpose the apple is eaten. The banana, that is the mesocarp. Cashew nut, that is the cotyledon, and custard apple like a fleshy pericarp, as well as the orange, the juicy placental hairs. This part that can be utilized regarding the fruit as such concern. Vegetables like palak, methi, the leaves are utilized, leaf part is utilized, radish and carrot, root part is utilized. At the same time, the tomato and brinjal, as well as the beans and beans, fruit is utilized. Now the spices as such concern, the clove, unopened flower bud, that can be utilized as a part use. Black pepper, that is the fruit. Cinnamon, that is the bark. Then the chili, that is the fruit, as well as the turmeric, that is the rhizome.